In this video, I will show you how to change the language when watching a YouTube video. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. This feature allows us to change the audio language when enjoying a content on YouTube. This works on both iPhone and Android devices. First thing to do is to go to Play Store or App Store and search for YouTube. If you see an update, go ahead and update the YouTube app. Then after that, open the YouTube app. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'll just open a Mr. Beast video, but this will work on most YouTube videos. Now, in order to change the audio language, click on the little gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. You will see a couple of different options show up related to your YouTube video. Select the option named Audio Track, and that will open up a list of languages supported for the specific video. I'm going to select the Japanese audio language. When you watch the video now, it will have that Japanese language. Keep in mind that some videos have more language tracks and some don't have at all. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click other videos to keep on watching.